Hello everyone, my name is Ascharan from Triply second year. Now I am going to do an activity called Celebrity Interview. The celebrity is Mr. G.P. Srikanth, Sub-Engineer AP Transco LCD Department, 132 by 33 kV Simhacharam Substation. Hello sir, my name is Ascharan. I am from Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Triply. As a part of my academics, I am going to do an activity called Celebrity Interview. As an electrical student, I am going to interview an electrical officers. So I have thought that you are the right one to take an interview. Simply I will ask some questions about you and your career. Please answer me. Okay sir, at first, why did you decide to become an electrical engineer?
So, in engineering services, every branch has a different variation. Coming to the electrical engineering, it has separate variation, which means the person who will be an electrical engineer, his life will be on life or death matter. If he goes to a substation, whether he will return to home or not. So like that only, the field was very interesting, in which very electronic communication gadgets as well as electronic gadgets will be there in the substation, in which our daily life will be only with the field only. So another point regarding me to choosing an electrical engineering, as well as also the present generation who has chosen electrical engineering, I will tell the importance of the electrical engineering. That means why we have chosen, or why you have to choose the electrical engineering. Means nowadays the human life was completely dependent on the electricity. Without electricity, no human being can live nowadays, because every human wants relaxation. So for relaxation only, every human being was doing their day-to-day activities. So as well as without electricity, a human being is without blood. Can you understand? Simple lines these are.
Okay.
So human being without blood or without heart, you may can also tell without heart. If a machine is there for like you take a simple example like a motor or something, anything else. So without electricity, can you run the motor or can you do anything? No. So these are the simple examples. That means not this is only the example to choose an electrical engineer. Many variations are there. That means serving to the doctors. That means hospitals, many other fire engine services, as well as police services. Every department need electricity. So that means not to degrade other departments, our department will serve every department. Let you take a fire station or police station or something else. So what was the work of the polices? They will rescue the people whenever a people was in threat. So fire station, whenever there is a fire accident, they will come and do their work. But our field will be related to every field, every department. We need everyone. That's why I had chosen electrical engineering.
Okay sir, let me go to the next question.
Okay.
What qualities do we have that will be helpful in this job?
So the qualities which we need that will be helpful in this job mean 100% patience. Not only in this job, every job. The work will be done without tensions and fear and unconsciousness. Whenever you doing a work, don't keep in the mind everything. What the subject was given to you, do only that thing. Don't keep in the mind like either outer side or inner side. That means in the home something disturbances may occur for everyone. So don't keep all in that mind while doing the work for a given subject. Do the work with conscious and with 100% patience. As well as this will be in the field conditions. Coming to the office also, there will be force. Every time there will force that whether the work is completed or not. So don't fear about that. Do the work patiently and perfectly. Okay. So another thing to that the quality which we needed in this section is the leadership qualities. Leadership qualities is main here. Even though our different categories will be there in our not only our department, every department will have, But the leadership qualities, controlling controlling qualities is important in this job. As I have told about the leadership qualities. Now, for a simple example, whenever a problem arises in the field conditions, so how should you have to be react? That means how should you have to handle the problem, which means our higher authorities will always force that the work was important. Also, we also know the work was important. So do the work with patience and fast. Here fastness is important and in electricity department, which means doing the unconsciousness is not. The faster means your mind should have to work with peace condition. With very peace condition, your mind should have to work. Why? Because in electricity, either generation, transmission or distribution, every minute is important. The supply stops, what will happen? The economy will be down. So, like that only, every minute is important. So take the work as a challenge. Whatever the subjected work was given to you, you only the leader to that work. So do the work as yours work, not the department's work or something, some other person's work or something. So do the work as yours work, your homework. That was only. So like that, doing these type of qualities was compulsory needed to an electrical engineer.
Okay, sir. What is your specialty within electrical field?
Actually, there is no specialty in me in electrical field. Every person who was doing a job or trying to job in the electrical field, there is no specialty in any human being. Every person will learn day by day. Same in the electrical field. Even every time there will be something, any new problem will be arises. So day by day we should have to learn ourselves, though how to solve that whenever problem arises, what time taken to solve that problem. So in this way we have to learn day by day. There is no specialty that only whenever this problem occurs, only that person should have to come and to solve this problem like that. So every person should have to learn the problem, how to solve that one. So in this way, not only after engineering completion we are the professions or something. After completion of the profession, or whenever you were doing subjected works in different jobs, you were student only. Up to human death also you were student only. Why? Because day by day you should going on learning only. Not that in departments they will give separately, you should have to do only this work, you should have to do only this work, like that. So everyone, not only in electrical field, every department, every work is ours only. So by the way of feeling like that, we can do our work, our job satisfaction.
Sir, can I know your background?
Which means personally or professional?
Both personal and professional.
Personally means everyone will say that family is my background, my mother is my background, my father is my background, or money is my background. Different people are. So coming to professionally, my background, both professionally and personally, I will have only my mind will be like that in way means, which means the daily persons which we meet daily, or the persons which we meet daily in the field as well as personally in the field as well as. So what good we have doing to them? So what we have receiving from them? The receiving is not sweet boxes or anything. Whenever we do the support, the taking a stand whenever we are in a problem. So those type of persons are there in my life, little bit some person. So they are my background.
Sir, what motivates you to succeed in your life or in a job or profession?
Which thing that motivates me to succeed? My haters. Why? Because only my hater knows my weaknesses. So whenever he tells, that means doing different controversies beside backside of me. So listening all them, I can succeed. Why? Because I can go forward. Which means they know my weakness as well as my strengths also. So they can find and they will completely daily in student life, we think everyone will be our friends. While as coming to profession, everyone are our haters only. No one think that you should have to go certain place. You should have to go with your own strength, by own making own decisions. Whenever you decided to take a decision from another person, you are a fool. You are studying engineering while studying engineering. So an engineer student should have to take own decisions, as well as I am also taking my own decisions, but taking the decisions of my haters also. So listening to them, they can tell that you are low in that, you are low in that, you don't know that one, you don't know how to do that. So these are the persons who will motivate me to become a succeeder.
Sir, do you ever face any difficulties in your work?
Difficulties in my job, which means until now I had never faced the difficulties in work, but the difficulties that will come in this profession is the leadership qualities, as I had told already. As an electrical engineer, whenever you go to a field, whenever a problem arises, there is no problem that you can solve the problem individually, but some works you have need the people support around you, that means the staff support around you. Single staff has different mindsets, so these mindsets will differ from one to another. They will not do the work properly. They will tell that this is only my work, I cannot do that work, this is only my work, I cannot do that. So at that time should have to control them and to do that every work is ours only, not another's work. In this profession they are paying, we are doing the work not for the sake of payment, but the sake of interest of yourself. So in some cases I had done the work, even the persons are not keen, I had done my individual. What can I do? How much can I do? I can do that work. I don't need something assistance. In that way the difficulties will arise. So you should have to control the staff as well as persons in this field. So as it was life and death matters now. Some will tell that they will try to escape. They want salary, but they will try to escape from this. So at that time you should have to control the persons with a free mind and friendly. You have to do the work friendly with them. Then only you can lead the difficulties. The main difficulty is this one only. Whenever a difficulty arises in system, you know how to solve that. You have complete grip on that. But you should have to need personal assistance. So controlling them with friendly also a leading of the difficulty.
Sir, is it okay to balance your professional and personal life?
In electrical field, there will be no professional and personal life. There is only single life. That is only electrical life, which we have given respect to that field. There is only single life. Nothing in my life. There is no. I had never faced that problems in my life. So professional life is my life. This one also my life, personal life only. Whenever I reach a certain goals in professional life, I can lead in personal life. No. So there is no differences. I had faced problems during these 2 years.
Okay, sir. I have heard that you are giving training to diploma students as a part of their academics. And how you are training them and how you inspire them to become an electrical engineer?
So the diploma training students will be come as their part of the academics. Coming to here, the students who were trained here will know completely about their life structure. The main agenda of industrial training in diploma, which means they will learn about the subject as well as their life also. So learning about the subject, which means they will learn 100% of subject here, which means the power transformer, different types of circuit breakers or different types of equipment available at the substations and the maintenance section. Different sections will be there in the electrical system. No, they will learn perfectly about that, as well as to the They will learn about the life, the how a person should be there, what will be the punctuality, the timings, whenever he goes professionally. That means whenever he selects a campus or doing job, it means these 6 months not the training to them. It means their job only these 6 months. The timings that they should have to come morning and have to leave evening, as well as in the middle time. They should have to do different types of activities. Like the students who were training here, which means in our substation or any another streams, any another substation, the person should have to learn first manner, that how should he have to be at higher officer levels, as well as the punctuality, the timings that he was whenever he was entering into the training or going out of the training, and the manners that what should he have to do. So that student will have different concepts, that means different timing levels. At this time, he or he has to do the particular work. So this type of works. So this in this way here the training will be happening.
And how you are inspiring them to be an electrical engineer?
Inspiration. My inspiration to take an I had already told you first that the importance of the electricity. So simple. Love your field. First, love your field. So loving your field, not loving your field will gives you pleasure. That to do the work free-mindedly. So this is the main concept of mine. I will always support my students as well as different kinds of persons who are coming to me. That different even our staff parents were our staff children have to take a electrical stream. They were coming to me, sir, what stream we should have to take in engineering or diploma, what should we have to take. I had simply tell that even though job, everyone think that government job, not government job, the field, the stream which you should have to take, you should have to respect the stream and to do the job you can do the job everywhere, not only in this stream. So by keeping in that mind, please join either diploma or BTech. Not like that only by taking a certain field we will get more job. By taking this field we will get less jobs. Not like that. Love the field and respect the field.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.